Hello, my name is Adaventure of the Woman Workshop. Today I want to talk to us again about lemon. I love lemon. I love lemon. Lemon is so good. You can use it to clean, you can use it for whatever, and also you can use it on your face. Okay, I've talked about head lice. If you have head lice, that if you combine your eggs with a little bit of lemon, you just get your eggs, break them, and get lemon, put inside it, and it will help to suffocate the lice in your hair. Also for your face, you can put lemon into your honey for your face. You can also put lemon into your sugar for your face. It's always best with lemon. There is just nothing this God's great fruit cannot do. So get your lemons, get cracking, and have a beautiful hair and skin. Thank you. See you next time on Safety and Health.